Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside shower, outside speakers, overhead shelf and bedroom, double door refrigerator, entry grab handle, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, vanity with sink, satellite prep, high-rise faucet, stainless steel kitchen appliances, living area television, L-shaped kitchen counter, walk-around queen bed, backup camera ready, front bedroom, decorative kitchen backsplash, electric stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack, oven, cable prep, closets on both sides of the bed, entertainment center, digital TV antenna, bathroom tub shower combo, single slide, U-shaped dinette, residential grade carpeting, bathroom cabinet with mirror, double bed bunks, sofa bed, bathroom has private entrance to the outside, pot and pan drawer, 2 entrances, over-the-range microwave, mini blinds, 3-burner cooktop, flush mount gas range cover, bathroom toilet, cathedral ceilings, double kitchen sink, ball bearing drawer guides, kitchen pantry, electric awning, solid surface kitchen countertops, mirrored wardrobe doors, sleeps up to 9 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.